Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a beautiful morning. Yeah. It's nice outside. It's cloudy, but it's humid as all get up, y'all. Yeah. So I just made my way back inside. Anyway, I hope y'all having a beautiful day. Hey. But yeah, I want to thank you all for stopping by the channel. Yeah, I hope you enjoy your stay here. But listen, guys, I stopped by a friend of mine. His name is Daryl, and Daryl have a garden center. So I stopped by his garden center and I walked around for a little while. Yep, and I took you all with me. So I want to share that with you all. Also, before we go to the garden center, I promised that I would share how I make my onion vinaigrette, right? So I definitely want to share that with you all because, y'all, I love this stuff. It's good. It's great for sandwiches, salads, just put it on the side. It's just so good. It's so good. But anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope all is well. All right. 2 years ago, I made this onion vinaigrette here on my channel. Yeah, it's 2 years ago I made this vinaigrette. And I saw one of my supporters going into, Subway. And they ordered, they asked for this this onion vinaigrette to be on their sandwich. That gave me the idea to just do it again for all of my new supporters. Yes, just in case you all would like to try this. It's so easy and it is so delicious. It's so delicious. So what I've done is I cut up 2 big red onions. Yeah, I just sliced them. Okay. And so what I have is equal part oil to equal part of vinegar. Now, I have white vinegar. Now, you could use apple cider vinegar, and that's what this is. I was going to use it if I didn't have enough, you see. This was the ending of it. But I wanted the white vinegar because, you want to see all of the pretty purple through the jar. So I'll let you see it, okay? But anyway, that's what I have in here. I have 2 cups of oil and 2 cups of vinegar right in here. Now, you can add salt and pepper in it. You really don't have to. I do because I like it. And I put a little salt. Now, of course, this is definitely optional, okay? Very optional. And this is that lemon thyme. Y'all, I done fell in love with this stuff to go in everything. So I'm going to put some of this in this vinegar and oil. Yeah, so it's going to just have the onion looking super good, y'all. It's going to look super good. Yeah. So now I'm just going to stir this up. And, you could put more in it, It doesn't matter, it's your choice, okay? Now I'm going to take all of my onion and put it, now this is a big balls jar, big wide mouth jar. So I want to break it all up, okay. So you want to break it all up and just put it in a jar. Just put it in a jar. Yeah. I think I'm going to shake it up before I put the oil in just to get all the layers loose in here. But listen, guys, I hope you all are having a beautiful evening. It's just rain. That's my weather, y'all. That's my weather. But I'm not complaining about it. No, I'm not. I'm not going to complain at all. So it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to put all of this onion in here. So I'll chop this up and put it in the refrigerator for when I get ready to cook. I'll put it in there. So let's try to get as much of this in here as we can. Now, if it don't all fit, it's all right. It's all right. So we're just gonna pour all of this oil and vinegar and lemon thyme. Guys, if you all ever get the opportunity to get some lemon thyme seeds or a lemon thyme plant, pick it up. This thing is amazing. So let me get a debugger here and try to get some more room in this jar. All right, so I have, I'm just gonna try to just get some more space in here. This doesn't look like it's gonna happen, but I'm gonna try anyway. Just a little bit more left in here. So it's so delicious. Now, what you want to do is take your onion vinaigrette now and put it in the refrigerator. Let's say a good 12 to 24 hours. And listen, y'all, this thing is going to be delicious. Wait 1 second. So about 12 to 24 hours, you're going to love it. You can put this on sandwiches, chicken, beans, whatever you like. But I hope you give it a try. All right, guys. Onion vinaigrette. Yeah, it's really good. Hey guys, I'm with Daryl. Oh, my favorite hibiscus. Oh my God. I have about 4 of those. But anyway, I'm here with Daryl. There he is right there. And so what's the name of the company?
Southern Gateway.
Southern Gateway. And would you believe, y'all, he just right down the street from me. Anyway, we just walking around the nursery and he's just telling me and showing me and sharing all that he has. He showed me some coffee, a coffee plant.
Colombian coffee.
Let's go take a look at this Colombian coffee plant. There it is, a Colombian coffee plant. It's healthy too, my goodness.
And then that's a lychee.
A lychee?
On the next one.
Over here, right
That's
here.
lychee.
This is a lychee.
Hey, how are you?
It's cool.
I'm looking for some cool things.
So we're looking at, oh, what is that? Bonsai.
This
Okay.
is a cypress tree.
Yeah.
And I just started training. This is something that
That
I
is
just
so
started playing
cool.
with. I'm a novel to it, so I'm learning
Yeah.
myself how to do it. This is another little cypress tree that I have. That this is 4 years now in the making.
That's
breed this.
beautiful.
Right here.
Beautiful.
Invested in it. I also have a redwood tree, which is kind of crazy.
Did you say the bonsais are not for sale? I saw that. I saw
Everybody
that.
has their little plants. This is a redwood tree that I got growing right now.
Ah.
That's going to be a redwood bonsai, just like the redwood forest. Anyway, it's something new, something fun that I'm trying to play
That's
with.
amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's going to be cool when
Yeah.
I get it all done. It didn't like the sun, so I had to move it into the shade.
Put in the shade. Yeah.
Right, and let it burn. It's going to have to refoliate now.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
something. There's some
It's
small
okay.
papayas that you have.
All right. So how much are these small papayas?
We just planted these, so they're not ready for
They're
sale.
not ready
yet.
for sale?
Mm,
Okay.
So because we grow everything here, we're a little different than other nurseries. We grow everything here ourselves. So we start everything out from either seedling or seeds.
What is this?
I got it on the other side.
Is it a flower?
It's a flower. It makes a yellow flower. This is one of the little butterfly type plants right here.
All right.
Crestrum.
Chris. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So the great thing is you was telling me about why you don't have a lot of vegetable seedlings right now in our zone is because
Timing right now. We start out our plants in August. So we start August 10th. We start our seedlings out then, and then we're ready for transplant September 1st. And the reason why you don't want to plant too early is because all you do is promote insects at this time. The plants are stressed. Your success rate's much lower. So it's better to prepare your soil, get everything ready, add lime to your soil, cultivate your soil. You can even solarize your soil, and you can look all that stuff up.
Yeah.
And do all that prep work now and be ready for September. When September comes, then you're ready to make your transplants and put them into the ground.
So do you drop seeds in August?
We drop seeds in August, and then we have the transplants ready to go in September.
Cool.
So as soon as September is when we have it ready.
All right.
Most people plan mid-September,
Yeah.
middle of September in that timeline. But it's a window of opportunity. Basically, you want to take whatever the mature date is, whatever you're trying to grow, and then back it up, and that's where you plant.
Okay.
But you can generally get, broccoli, cauliflower, mustard greens, collard greens, all those things in the fall do really, really well. But timing is everything. If you plant too early, the plants suffer.
Right.
And you really just kind of spun your wheels and didn't do anything.
Right.
Timing is everything. So come in September, in October, you want to definitely have it planted by the first week of October for sure.
Yeah.
Just to be able to get some crop,
Yeah.
harvest.
Yeah, I like some great harvests. As a matter of fact, to do some succession planting so I can get harvest
Yeah, you
after harvest.
always want to have something spaced out if you can, and if you have that ability, definitely.
Of course, with greens too, because you could just
And you want to till everything back into
Sure.
the soil and return it to the soil, let it break down. Most importantly, add lime. A lot of people forget about lime.
Yeah.
Lime's very important.
Yeah.
It's calcium you add into the soil.
definitely.
So it's always good. That helps to buffer the soil and make the pH right, so all the nutrients that are there are available to the plant. And calcium does a lot for the metabolism of the plant. It helps the plant's absorption rate, like what it can absorb and process. So
Cool.
but
Yeah.
a lot of people neglect lime, and they forget about lime. But
Yeah.
it's an important thing. pH is real important in the soil too. pH is important in your water.
Yes.
What they've done a lot now in water is they're running a lot of a lot of
Chlorine.
through the water.
Mhm.
So it's raising the pH of the water. And it's raising the pH of the water so high that it actually modifies the pH of the soil.
Wow.
So sometimes you have to do something to acidify the soil. So sometimes you may not have to add lime. You
Right.
have to add an acidifier to your soil. But at any rate, do a soil test.
Exactly.
Test, don't guess.
I love it. I love it, Daryl. I love it.
Anyway, but I want you to come back and see the place.
Great.
And we get to a level in September when you can actually see us planting.
I will,
Planting. It
Daryl.
would be a cool thing to put on your channel.
Yeah.
And you can see how we do it. And from our little babies all the way up. to
Yeah.
mature product.
I love to be back. Love to
Yeah.
come back and see
Yeah.
you all again.
So
Oh
it's
my.
cool. I'm
Yeah.
glad you came in.
I'll come back and we'll look at all of that. Oh my, look at that.
We go back.
Wait, oh, those are hibiscus. See there? They grab my eyes, I tell you.
These hibiscus we all grew ourselves. These are all Thai series hibiscus that we grow.
Oh yeah.
And we grew all of these from cuttings.
Yeah.
Every one of them. We started those. Believe it or not, these were started out in January of this year.
Yeah.
Papaya. We have some. That's a mango right there. That's another guava right here.
Guava.
This is cherry tree right here, and it makes this little cherry right here. It's a cherry tree. This is a
Wow.
miracle fruit tree. That's what this is.
Okay.
Miracle fruit is one fruit that makes a fruit about as big as a coffee bean. It's red, and when you eat it, it'll take a sour fruit and make it sweet. So you can eat this fruit and then eat a lemon right after it, and that lemon is sweet.
Wow.
So
It
it
changes
changes
the taste buds in your
taste buds
mouth.
in your mouth, and it's used in chemotherapy to help to stop nausea. So it's known as the miracle fruit.
Wonderful.
There's some other
I
tropical
see
fruits
that.
right there.
I want to thank you so much.
Thank you.
I
Thanks for coming
enjoyed
by.
it. I'll
Yeah, I
be
did.
back.
See
Okay.
you.